Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I soak my fruits to make fruit cakes. I'm going to show you the alcoholic and the non-alcoholic version of soaking. So let me show you the fruits I'm using. I'm using some currants, dates, golden raisins. There are two types. See, this one is really huge compared to the other one. So I'm going to use both of them. I like the size, both sizes. So I'm using some cherries. I'm using the regular raisins, the brown ones. Then I'm using some prunes. So I'm using red wine. You need red wine. You can use any brand of red wine of your choice. This is the first time I'm using this. I've never used this before. You can use cherries, Bacchus if you're in Nigeria. So I'm using rum. You can use whiskey or ogogoro. So this is rum. I just want to use a little. Then for the non-alcoholic version, I'm gonna use cranberry juice. You can use whatever juice you like. I'm gonna wash all of them. I'm gonna dice this two later. I'm gonna add all of them to a sieve and wash them. I'm using a sieve so that if there's any sand, it could just go through. You could use a bowl, whichever you want. So I'm just gonna combine all of them together. If you want to wash them separately, you can still do it, but I just prefer to wash them together so that I don't have to mix them later or start shaking them in the bottle. I just want to say thank you to those that have subscribed. If you have not, please click the subscribe button. Now that everything is washed, I'm gonna start dicing the dates and the prunes. I prefer to wash the fruits before I dice them because I just feel you are washing away the fruits when you already cut them. So when you are dicing the dates, you have to watch out for seeds. Some are pitted, some are not. These are not pitted, so they still have seeds. So watch out for the seeds before you start slicing. You could use the regular date, the smaller one. It works too. Whenever you are making fruit cake, use the fruits that you like. I like dates, I like prunes, and my kids like cherries, and they like raisins. So just a combination of dry fruits that you like. You can use cranberries. There are some regular fruits they use for fruit cake, like raisins, cranberry, cherries, currants, prunes. So when I'm done with the dates, I'm gonna continue with the prunes. So one thing you need to know about the prunes, it has laxative effect. So be careful the amount you add to it because it makes you go, but it tastes good. While I'm slicing the fruits, I want to thank all those that have subscribed. I thank you so much for your support. And if you have been watching my videos and you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe. What una dey wait for? Make una click the subscribe button. Share it, invite your friends. If today is your first time, welcome. And I hope you subscribe. Like the video if you enjoy it. And don't forget to click the notification bell so that you can get an alert whenever I upload a video. So I'm done. I'm just gonna toss them together, break them. Like the prunes and the dates, they are sticky, so you need to help them, separate them. So now I'm just gonna scoop some. The ones I'm gonna use for the non-alcoholic fruit cake. I just need 3 cups for the recipe. So I'm gonna soak this in you can soak it in any juice of your choice, but I'm using cranberry. I wanted to add cranberry fruit, I couldn't find it, so I said, oh, I have cranberry juice, let me just use cranberry juice instead. You could use orange juice, it works, or any fruit juice of your choice. Ensure that the juice drowns the fruit because they are gonna plump up as they hydrate. So make sure the juice covers it. You're gonna be surprised by the next day you need to add more juice. So when I'm done, I'm just gonna put it in the fridge to use it whenever I'm ready. You could do this a day ahead of making the cake. For the alcoholic version, I'm gonna still do the same thing. transfer the fruit into the jar. So the only difference is I'm using alcohol instead of juice. Like I said, with the non-alcoholic version, you have to still drown this in the alcohol because they're gonna plump up. By the next day, you're gonna see that it's no longer drowning, and then you have to add more. This one I'm using is a red wine. It tastes exactly like Bacchus wine if you're in Nigeria, so you can use that. Or if you know about any red wine, you can use it. Red wine is good, cherry is good. So I'm gonna fill it up, but I'm still gonna add a little bit of rum. You can omit rum, you don't have to, but if you want to add rum, you can still. And rum tastes exactly like ogogoro. So I'm just gonna try to fill it up. When I'm done, I'll just cover it, put it in the shelf till I need it for about a year, 2 weeks, 1 week, whenever you need it. So when you're done, you just cover it and date it so that you remember when it was made. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button if you have not. Like the video, share it. Don't forget to click the notification bell to get an alert whenever I upload any video. So that's how I soak my fruits. Till I see you next time, I love you. Bye.